Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje ngizokhuluma nini na ngizokhuluma le game eBafana Bafana kade idlala izolo. Ngizokhuluma le game eBafana Bafana kade idlala izolo. I'm sure abantu abaningi ke bazwile ngaleyo game. Ngizwile ngayo igame bafethu ngivukele ekseni ngasibona iscore. Angifuni uqamba bengingekho happy. Yabo, bengingekho happy because uma usubheke irecord esesibe nalo kulama games leading up to the game esiyoyidlala against iMexico. Remember, we are going to play against iMexico. Kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu indlela eyisimanga. Yabo, so uma usubheka ama games esiziwadlalile, we first played iPanama. Sidlala kuphi na? Sidlala le eMos Mabhida, and leyo game leyo kwaba yi-draw. Kwaba yi-draw leyo game, sahamba nePanama futhi sale eCape Town eDHL Stadium. iPanama yafika yashaya khona, iPanama yashaya. Yabo, yafika yashaya iPanama lapha yashaya ngo-2-1. Sasuka lapho sathola enye igame ezosiprepare for i-World Cup before sihambe siye le eMexico sadlala sadlala against iNicaragua, okuyi-team esi-above yona in terms of ama-rankings. I understand ukuthi-ke i-team edlala le, i-team edlala kuphi na, edlala le ko-CONCACAF, but in terms of ama-rankings Bafana Bafana is way above iNicaragua, but we failed to beat that Nicaragua team. Sihlulekile ukuyishaya, sidrowile nayo, same as iPanama ngosikhathi sidlala nayo kokuqala. Sidrowile nayo, sadraw ngo-0-0. Sathi sisuka lapho sale eMexico, le game kade siyidlala, the recent game. Yabo, I saw some few clips. Angifuni uqamba, it doesn't look convincing, guys. Iqiniso nje libe lihle. It doesn't look convincing. It doesn't look like we are going to play a major tournament. I don't think abajida barealize ukuthi-ke asiyikodlala mhlawumbe iCOSAFA, asiyi mhlawumbe kodlala i-AFCON, asiyi mhlawumbe kodlala i-MTA Need. Laphana uma wenza umsangano, wenza nje umsangano omncane, uyahlambalazeka lapho. Wenza nje umsangano omncane uyahlambalazeka. Laphana kumele senze sure ukuthi mesiya lapha asiyikodlala, siyodlala ibhola, hayi kodlala nje. Kumele siye kodlala lapha, senze sure ukuthi-ke silwa ngako konke esinako. I saw igoli esiliconsidile. Maybe one may say ukuthi-ke maybe uCross vele ngiyazi awadlala ama-games. uCross, he was being featured in that game because ngiyazi adlale, same as uNdamane. Because if you saw the goal esiyiconsidile, it came from uNdamane and ubani na, and uCross kulela side laka left ngale. Yabo, so one may say ukuthi-ke ngeke badlale vele, but igoli esilikorile, we scored from a mistake eyenziwe yiyona iJamaica ngokudlala ibhola at the back. Sase sashaya i-pressing yethu-ke, waselikora uLyle Foster igoli. Yabo, waselikora uLyle Foster igoli. And futhi nakhona uLyle Foster kumele sazi ukuthi-ke uLyle Foster kumele siku-accept ukuthi-ke uzowaqala lama-games wonke. Uzowaqala wonke because kufanele awaqale wonke lama-games uLyle Foster kule tracker esinazo. Yabo, kumele awaqale wonke. Uyakuthanda ukuthandi lokho. Hugo Broos uzomqalisa futhi, okuyinto kumele siyi-accept as ama-fans. Mina ngokwami angifuni ukuqamba amanga, I'm not happy. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga, I'm not happy. Now Hugo Broos ukhulumile nabeyindaba washo ukuthi-ke it looks like the squad asisethile asikakabi ready for i-World Cup. Hugo Broos uyena ohlanganise le squad. Uma usubuyele nje emuva, le squad lesasikhethile njengamanje uyena osibekila. There are few players abangekho kule squad kumele bakhona, but yena namhlanje usho nje. There are few players abalandile abaletha kule squad, but namhlanje uzosho nje. There are many talented players abashiye ngaphandle angabalandanga, but asikwazi ukuthi-ke sizokhuluma kanje sesiku-World Cup. Yabo, to me that doesn't make any sense to me. Akuyenzi sense lokho kumina, kodwa-ke sizo-accepta phela because uyena umuntu osiphethe, uyena umuntu othatha iy'nqumo zanazi eBafana Bafana. Kodwa lento leyo ayiyenzi sense bafethu. You cannot tell me ukuthi-ke wena in 3 days, because namhlanje yisonto namhlanje. Yes, in 4 days you are going to play one of the biggest games oseke wayicoacha in your coaching career. Because if ukhumbula kahle, I think it will be Hugo Broos's first World Cup coach any team. in your coaching career, this is your first World Cup, and your team doesn't look like they are ready to go there. I understand maybe season sasenakuphela. Maybe ke mhlambe kube uzamile ukuthi ke uthole noma 2 weeks we-preparation ukwazi ukuthi ke uba asese kahle labadlali uthole ama-friendly matches with mhlawumbe ama-team akhona ku-Betway Premiership. Uzame ukuthi ke abadlali ba-understandane because right now we are going there, it's like asikaze sadlala ndawonye indlela edlala ngakhona. It looks like it is worse than i-AFCON. I-AFCON yes saphuma kula 16 but ku-AFCON bafethu asidlalanga ibhola elimnandi. We didn't play good football at AFCON. We didn't play good football at AFCON. So going to this World Cup, yes, we managed to end our group as number 1, but it's not looking good. It's not really looking good. And many people may say, nginovalo. Lo novalo lukhona. I know sizodlala kahle, but into engiyikhalela angifuni sidambalazeke, yabo. Enye yezinto leyo. Angifuni ucoach ahambe ayodefenda lapho isidingo singekho, senza ama-mistakes, siqala kakhulu amabhola emuva. Pressing inayo i-Mexico. Mexico have been playing ama-games amaningi and uma usubheke